All right, so you have your synthesis essay outline document open. First thing, hopefully you've already chosen a prompt. You've watched the video in the last section, so you'll copy and paste your prompt choice right here from the assignment sheet. So put which prompt you're choosing. But now we're going to start with evidence. It's always best to know exactly what you're going to talk about before you try and do the intro or claim. So I want us to decide exactly what we're talking about. So you need to choose your two pieces of evidence. Remember, as explained in the previous video, one has to be Frankenstein, and the other can be either I Am Malala, Writer's Notebook 8, or Immigrants in Our Own Land. So choose one scene from Frankenstein that you think goes with the prompt, and then choose what you want your second piece of evidence to be. So go ahead, you can hit pause, choose what you think should be the two pieces of evidence. Now, after you've chosen your evidence, we're going to work on our analysis sentence for each piece of evidence. So I will show you the formula, where it goes in the paragraph. I'll show you some examples. I know it can be a little confusing because it is new, but this is the most important part of the essay because it sets up everything you're going to talk about. And once you establish these two sentences, the essay kind of writes itself because you've already explained how it ties to the prompt, exactly what you're going to say, what your opinion is. So it really comes easily after we get over this kind of bridge.